Have you ever wondered what it's like to be the biggest animal walking on land? Well, today we're diving into the world of elephants, the true giants of our planet. These incredible creatures are not just famous for their size. They're also known for their amazing intelligence and the deep social connections they form. For millions of years, elephants have been shaping the world around them, and they still play a crucial role in keeping their environments healthy. Let's start with the king of them all, the African bush elephant. This is the largest land animal alive today, a true heavyweight champion. You'll find them roaming the savannas and grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa. Imagine this. A male can weigh over 6,000 kilograms. That's more than 13,000 pounds. Both males and females typically sport those magnificent tusks, and their ears are huge, shaped a bit like the continent of Africa itself. These ears aren't just for show. They help elephants cool down in the hot sun. By pushing over trees and clearing paths, they actually create new grasslands that benefit countless other species. They're like nature's engineers. Next, we journey into the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa to meet the African forest elephant. This species is a bit smaller and more elusive than its bush-dwelling cousin. Their tusks are straighter and thinner, perfect for navigating the thick forest undergrowth, and their ears are smaller and more rounded. Forest elephants are the ultimate gardeners of the jungle. As they eat fruits, they travel far and wide, spreading seeds in their droppings. This helps new trees and plants grow, maintaining the incredible biodiversity of the rainforest. Because they live in such remote, dense areas, they're harder for scientists to study, which also makes them especially vulnerable to threats like habitat loss and illegal poaching. Now, let's travel east to meet the Asian elephant. Found across South and Southeast Asia, these elephants are a bit smaller than their African relatives. You can spot them by their smaller rounded ears. Another key difference is that generally, only some of the male Asian elephants grow large tusks. If you look at their back, you'll notice it's more rounded and smoother compared to the dipped back of an African elephant. Asian elephants have a special relationship with humans, having worked alongside us for thousands of years. They are deeply woven into the culture and traditions of many Asian countries, revered and respected as symbols of wisdom and strength. So, why does being this big even matter? Well, for an adult elephant, their massive size means they have very few natural predators. A healthy, grown elephant is pretty much at the top of the food chain. Their size gives them the power to literally reshape their environment, toppling trees to create open spaces or finding underground water sources that other animals can then use. It also allows them to travel huge distances in search of the massive amounts of food and water they need to survive, connecting different ecosystems along the way. Despite their incredible power and size, elephants face serious dangers. The biggest threats are the loss of their natural habitats and the brutal, illegal ivory trade. Protecting all three species, the African bush, the African forest, and the Asian elephant, is absolutely critical. When we protect elephants, we're not just saving one animal. We're protecting entire ecosystems that depend on them. They are so much more than just the largest land animals. They are intelligent, social, and ecologically vital beings. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of these gentle giants. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal stories. See you next time.